Do you want a tool that helps you to know your color season or that of your clients in a faster and safer way? Well then keep reading to know my most useful and reliable tool. When you want to know your color season, there are many possibilities of being wrong. Actually, we can even be going around for many months until we know our color season. This happens because when visually determining our season, it is difficult to see which color suits us better than another. Some of the factors that make us wrong are our variability to visually tell what is harmonious and what is not, the external light, the makeup we may be wearing, how tan we are at that moment, or even any other small change in our color of hair. In the end, the most useful thing to know our season and not make mistakes is to do it numerically. Relating the color parameters with the characteristics of our hair, skin, and eyes. In this way, it will be much easier for us to make mistakes due to the fact that the numbers do not deceive. It is a more analytical and safe calculation that avoids us leaving the determination of our season to subjectivities. That is why I created this season color test calculator. And it is that when relating the color parameters with the characteristics of our hair, skin, and eyes, if we do it mentally or even by writing it down, we can also make mistakes. Since as we adjust the parameters, we will have to recalculate everything many times. This calculator does the work for you. For me, it is the best color analysis tool, much better than the color draping technique in which we physically use the fabrics to see which colors suit the person best. Undoubtedly, all the decisions I make around seasonal color analysis I do with the help of this tool, and then I check using the colors to be able to slightly adjust the data that I have entered into the calculator. In the end, determining your season through the seasonal color test is quite an important process, in which the more tools we have, the less we will make mistakes when doing the test. This tool is very easy to use. Duty to score the color parameters: warm, cool, dark, light, bright and soft for your hair, your skin, and your eyes. For example, we must distribute 3 points between cool and warm for your skin. Also distribute 3 points between dark and light for your skin. Likewise, with the other parameters and for the hair and eyes characteristics. In your hair you will distribute 2 points and in your eyes 1 point. When you finish, you will see your result automatically below. In this way, determining color seasons becomes much easier. You can find this calculator in the comments link of this video, and start enjoying this tool and secure your color season.